Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be making the first step of a shaker charm, so let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using the liquid diamonds casting resin for this project, and this resin is a 2-to-1 ratio, and I'm working on a few things at once, so I'm making quite a big pot of resin. But for the little shaker charms, all you need is about an ounce, or just it really depends on how big your mold is. But for my Care Bear shaker charms, I only need about an ounce of resin. Since I'm working on quite a few things, I'm actually mixing up 21 ounces of resin. So like I said, it's a 2-to-1 ratio resin. So I'm using 14 ounces of my part A, that's what I'm pouring in right now, and 7 ounces of my part B. And you always want to mix it up really good. Scrape the sides of your container, scrape the bottom of your container, scrape your stir stick. And this resin is really great for molds because it's really bubble free. I've never had a bubble problem with it. So it looks like this, and after about 5 minutes, it will be crystal clear. The glitter I'm going to be using today is the Peacock Holographic glitter from Laura's Art Corner. It's a really, really gorgeous, true holographic glitter. It's so pretty. And with glitter, you can really use as much as you want in your resin. It just depends on how glittery you want your piece to be. I wanted this to be really glittery because you guys know I love glitter. So I added quite a bit of resin or glitter into my resin. And I just had about an ounce of resin in this cup here. You don't need much at all because these are pretty small. And here's my little mold. It's a backed shaker mold, a little Care Bear. So what you do is just pour it in, kind of let it settle into the grooves and cavities of the mold before you add more, because you don't want to overfill your mold. So just kind of let it settle for a minute and then add a little bit more if you need. This resin didn't have any bubbles, like I said, so I didn't need to torch it or anything. But if you're using a different resin, you might want to hit it with a torch or your heat gun to pop any bubbles. And then I just covered it up with an upside down storage container. And here it is, 24 hours later, we are ready to demold it. But check out how beautiful that glitter is. I just love it. So be sure to check out Laura's Art Corner if you guys need any glitter or pastes or pigments for your resin. I'll link it down below in the description. So this is just step 1 of the shaker charms. If you want to see the full tutorial, I'll link it down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye!